Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The happier you are, the less sleep you need to function normally every day. November 28, 2012 was the most peaceful day New York City ever had. The record for most babies born to one woman is 69. This salt is made from human tears and different emotions. It is available to buy. The original inspiration for the Joker, Conrad breathed in The Man Who Laughs, 1928. McDonald's has a gold card that allows its holder free and unlimited food forever. It's estimated that only 20% of the human population can wiggle their ears and raise one eyebrow. During university exams in South Korea, rooftop access doors are locked off because students have been known to commit suicide after realizing they would fail in the ongoing test. Abraham Lincoln's bodyguard left his post at 4 to go for a drink and Abraham Lincoln was shot and killed by John Wilkes Booth. The crowned eagle is the only bird confirmed to view humans as prey. The world's most wanted hacker himself was hacked and arrested because his password was his cat's name +123. Japanese stationery company Clear Radar developed transparent eraser to let you see what you are erasing. In 1839, Robert Cornelius took the world's first selfie. It only took him 15 minutes. Over two-thirds of Soviet males born in the year 1923 lost their lives in the World War II. The hardest bone in the human body is the mandible. In South Carolina, the maximum sentence for beating your dog is longer than the maximum sentence for beating your wife. The most expensive ad ever made cost is $33 million. In the 1960s, a dolphin named Peter fell in love with a human. The extinct shark Helicorpion, who had a circular saw of teeth as its lower jaw. Rich people in China hire body doubles to serve their prison sentence. The practice is called Ding Zui, meaning substitute criminal. 7% of men suffer from paruresis, an anxiety disorder that means you can't pee if other people are in close proximity. The International Potato Center has successfully grown potatoes in simulated Mars environment. No Filters, Australia is red from wildfires. In the Great Fire of London in 1666, which destroyed 13,200 houses, 87 churches and left 70,000 people homeless, and only 6 people were killed. Dogs can see sadness in humans and often attempt to make their owners happy by initiating cuddling. Only 2% of human beings have naturally green eyes, making it the rarest eye color. Popular beer brand Carlsberg develops the world's first paper beer bottles that can be recycled easily. There is a dumb Starbucks where every product has word dumb in front of it. Psychological study says people who are generally too nice are also the ones to get hurt the most. This spot on 1 to 80 in Wyoming is known as the Highway to Heaven. Naya Kim and Witch, the true queen of darkness. You can buy eel flavored ice cream in Japan. According to Stan Lee, one of the reasons Spider-Man wears a mask is so his enemies can't see when he's afraid. School desks have 300 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Popeye is based on a real person named Frank Rocky Fiegel, a local tough guy of Chester and quite similar to Popeye physically. Amav Haji, 80-year-old Iranian man, smokes animal poop, says he has not bathed in 60 years. If a person eats 10 to 12 bulls, he or she won't need food for another 12 hours. The longest war in recorded history lasted 335 years and 19 days. In 2014, a man in Arizona stole a diamond worth $160,000 and traded it for a bag of marijuana worth $20. It took $7.5 million to build Titanic and $200 million for the movie. The role of Voldemort in the Harry Potter movies has been played by 6 actors. Chess was invented in India. Genghis Khan was responsible for the death of so many people that the Earth's carbon level dropped by almost 700 million tons. Scientists estimate that you will fall in love 7 times before you get married. The first testicular guard was used in 1974 and the first helmet was used in 1974. Thanks for watching.